Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get mint mangoes in Slime Rancher 2. Start by locating coastal groves with dense foliage and water edges where mint mangoes spawn. Equip a range upgrade and a safe container to collect multiple fruits without repeated trips. Move slowly to avoid agitating nearby slimes, and use bait to distract them while you harvest several mangoes in one sweep of the grove. Before you set out, make sure your backpack has at least one range upgrade and comfortable inventory space. Pack bait to divert slimes so you can pick mint mangoes without confrontation or cleanup. Place a storage box near spawn areas to drop fruits quickly and maximize each trip. These simple preparations cut downtime and let you harvest more mangoes per outing with less risk and more consistent results. When you arrive at a spawn area, move quietly along the edges and scan for clustered mint mangoes near water or tall plants. Harvest a few at a time and retreat to your storage box to offload, which prevents chaos from drawn slimes. If a slime group gathers, toss bait to lure them away quickly, then return to collect the remaining fruits. Repeat pattern across the grove for efficient, low-risk harvesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.